Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy Eck with the Boathouse. Today we were sitting at our Naples location just talking about one of the items that I feel is very important on a boat, and that is the maintenance. And knowing when to do your proper maintenance, whether you have a Yamaha, a Mercury, whether you need your 20-hour service done, your 100-hour, your annual service. Every manufacturer is going to be a little bit different on that schedule, so make sure you check with your manufacturer specs. I do personally highly recommend, whether you've hit that full 100 hours on your motors, I would at minimum do them on an annual basis. Just with all the salt water that we have here, we got shallow waters, which are going to have pickups of sand, which can affect your water pumps and impellers. So just wanted to kind of talk, one of the aspects of that is knowing the actual number of hours on your boat. So every boat's going to be a little bit different. Again, boat, motor manufacturer, all going to have some different combinations. So today we're sitting on a Cobalt that I'm going to show you how to look at your motor hours from both either Yamaha package, which we're sitting on right now, or a Mercury package. So for this Yamaha package, there's actually two different ways through your Garmin screens to look at your engine hours. So first off, I'm going to hit home, go down to my one helm AV gauges, and click on that Yamaha tab. That's going to open up your Yamaha screen. From that, you're going to see on the bottom bar a button that says menu. If you tap menu, you'll have a pop-up on the right side of the screen where you can hit engine information. From engine information, then you'll have a button that says trip. Once that trip pops up, you're going to have both your trip and total hours on both your port and starboard motor on this boat. So that's how you do it through the Yamaha page. In any Garmin, you're also going to have customizable pages as well. So I'll do that on this screen over here. Same thing in that one helm AV gauges. You'll go into the engines tab. From that, you'll have a customized pop-up that'll pop up. And depending on where you're at on that screen, you can choose different areas, whatever works best for you. To change that, you'll hold down the section. It'll pop up your gauge menu. From there, you'll hit replace data, engine, and then scroll down and find hours. What that'll do, make sure your engines are selected, both port and starboard for this application, and then hit back to get out of that, and that will show you your engine hours on that as well. Next up, we'll move on to a Mercury powered, so come check it out. So now we are sitting here on another Cobalt 30 SC. This one powered with those Mercury 300s like I was talking to you about. So again, to figure out the hours on the vessel, you can do one of the options very similar to what I showed you on the Yamaha, is going right through your engine display. Depending on how your display is setting up, just hold down, hit replace data, go engine, scroll down to hours, and then select your engines again. And then you will pop up engine 1, engine 2 right on that screen. The one different part about Mercury powered boats is you're going to have this Mercury vessel view gauge down here. Another great little tool that Mercury vessel view gauge is they even have a little maintenance reminder built in. So you can go and hit the menu button, just press up a couple times, and you'll find the button that says maintenance. If you hit that, it'll give you your maintenance length of time until you need your next service right there on a nice little gauge. So a little bit different setup, whereas the Yamaha gauges are all ran through the Garmin's. On the Mercury, it'll be ran through its own private vessel view gauge. You'll still have the Garmin screens where you can go and customize displays, but your Yamaha gauge on a Yamaha boat will be through the Garmin's. The Mercury gauge on a Mercury boat will be through this vessel view gauge. So that's two of the main ways I like to look at engine hours on the boat. That way I'm making sure I've got my proper maintenance schedule up to date. So if you have any questions about any of our boats, maintenance, motor packages, anything like that, feel free to give any one of us a call. Come stop by any of our stores or visit our channel on YouTube or any of our social media channels. Thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful day.